Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial we're going to teach you how you can select all photos in your Google Photos account really quickly and without any technical skills whatsoever. So let us get started. As you can see, I'm inside my Google Photos account and my library features a couple of photos and a video. So this is how you can select all of them, for example, to move them to a specific folder at once, or to edit them at once, or to delete them. Simply start with the uppermost photo or video or any item here in your library, just like that, by left clicking on the check mark icon in the top left corner. And once that's done, press and hold left shift on your keyboard, just like that, and move your mouse along the remaining items in your library till you get to the last one, for example at the bottom. And in the last step, simply left click on the last item's checkmark icon here to select all of them at once. So super simple, guys. You only needed 2 clicks for that. And you can apply that trick to your entire library and select even hundreds or thousands of these photos at once. And that's basically it, guys. Now with that in mind, you will be able to move these selected items, for example, to the trash folder or to any other folder, or to edit them and so on and so forth, guys. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.